Gentlemen, put down the honey-do list and look at your screens. If you've ever looked at a calm, peaceful lake and this really needs more chaos in a 45-kilometer-per-hour wake, then welcome home. This is the DEERC TX766. It's 17 inches of brushless fury. That's faster than my wife's reaction when I tell her I bought just one more RC toy. Let's see what this beast can do. I do need to tell you this was provided to me by DEERC, but they gave me no instructions on what to say. We aren't talking about your kid's bathtub toy here. This thing is packing a 3S 2800 milliamp hour LiPo battery. For those of you who don't speak electric nerd, that translates to hang on to your sunglasses. We're hitting speeds of 45 plus kilometers an hour. At that pace, the water isn't even liquid anymore. It's a runway. Check out this metal rudder. Precision machining lets you pull turns so sharp you'll be dizzy just watching it. It's got the torque to jump wakes and the speed to make local ducks consider early retirement. Now if you think, Doug, I'm gonna pull the throttle, hit a ripple, and this thing's gonna flip into the abyss. Stick around because I'm gonna show you how you don't need a rescue rowboat or swimsuit to save your investment. As a matter of fact, I got this thing to somehow submarine itself for a disturbing amount of time, and it came back to the surface and just continued on just fine. It was amazing. It does have self-righting, which is really cool. Just flick the trigger and it flips herself right back over like nothing happened. It's honestly the ultimate get-out-of-jail-free card when you're driving around like a maniac, which, let's be honest, it's the only way to drive this. Whether you're hitting the pool, the lake, or even salt water, this brushless motor stays cool and keeps screaming because it's water-cooled. The build quality is top tier, it feels substantial, not like a cheap plastic that cracks if you look at it wrong. Bottom line, this DEERC TX766 is high-speed therapy. It's definitely fast, it's loud, and it makes you feel 10 years old again. What do you say we go talk to me right after I used it? I've chased away all the alligators. Let's have a quick conversation of what the experience was like using it. Was the battery life good? How well did it run? Was the radio good? Let's go talk to me at the testing pond. All right, you've seen the action, you've heard the stats on it, so now I'm here just to start right off and tell you it is all true. This thing is incredibly fast. With the RC cars, I'm able to measure the speed, not able to measure it on this, but I'm telling you visually, this thing is crazy fast and so fun. The one little bit downside of that I want you to know about is it is really true high performance. So we've now gotten to the point where it's got a 3S battery in it. And initially when you put it in for like, let's say the first 3 minutes, it is like lightning crazy fast. But then when the edge comes off that battery a little bit, it goes into just super fast mode. And you run there for a good 10 to 12 minutes and then it starts to die. But like those first 3 minutes, really freaking crazy. In terms of a downside for this, there is none. This thing is just crazy. First off, look how cool it's looking like with like a little old-fashioned teak on the roof and all that kind of stuff. Super cool. I know you're gonna see it in the unboxing, but let me show you what the internals of this looks like, and there's something else interesting I'm gonna show you in here. Look at that, we got water cooling for both the motor and the electronics, the big 3S battery, servo for the rudder, and a separate radio. Now, here, nothing in it. It is bone dry, so super effective because I don't know if it'll come out in the video or not, but this thing submarined itself for a while. And then I was like, I'm not sure if it's coming back up. I got to get off the throttle. I thought it was just going to like submarine itself for a couple minutes and then come back up. And it was like, no, I'm just going to stay here underwater. And I was like, I don't know how long that's good for. And I'm telling you, not a drop of water got in here. So the only answer here is if you want a fast boat, you need to get this for yourself. There's a link here on the screen. There's another one down below. I do need to tell you this was provided to me to do this review, but DEERC is great. They give me no instructions. I've had plenty of these things where I've told you they're crap and plenty of them which have been absolutely awesome. This one is absolutely ridiculously my favorite awesome. If I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel. Put in the comments, where are you gonna use this? You're gonna use it in like a pond like this, like I do here, which by the way, the alligators are definitely afraid of this. But if you're gonna use it in a pond here like this, let us know. Or are you gonna go like ocean? You're gonna go out in the salt water, in the waves and stuff. That would be so fun. In any case, put that in the comments. What do you say we go to the past and watch me do that unboxing now? Welcome to the past. You have seen this DEERC TX766 boat run, you've heard the review, and now you're curious to share the experience of unboxing it for the first time. This has just arrived and I'm opening it up and I'm very excited about it because this should be, you know better than I haven't even looked at it yet, a ridiculously high performance boat. It's got a brushless motor system that is center mounted. It's self-righting and it has a design, whoops, it's upside down. And it has a design that is really pretty unique. This does not look like any other RC boat that I've had to date, and I've had plenty of them at this point. All right, so let's start with, I'm gonna make you wait a minute to see the boat itself. You've already seen the boat, I don't know why I'm doing that. Check out this remote, look how sophisticated this thing is, and it's got the nice foam on the steering. I love that. This thing is really very cool looking. I'm very impressed with that. All right, here we have, comes with a USB powered charger for the battery. Speaking of the battery, is this the wow, look at the size of this battery. Okay, hold on, I need my glasses to read what this is. Oh man, this is a 2800 milliamp hour 3S battery. That is a lot of juice going through this thing. Speaking of this thing, let's take a look at it. So, a couple things that are pretty unique about this and really cool. First off, look at the way that thing looks. Look at that, how freaking cool does this look like with like the teak on the front and that kind of stuff. It's got a rubber nose there, which I'm gonna have to put on it. And I can see it's got water inlets and water outlets for cooling. And how unusual is this? Look, it's got a single prop right there in the center, right here, and a good old-fashioned rudder behind that. How unusual is that? Normally they're mounted out back here. This thing is going to handle amazing. Let's take a look at what the interior looks like. Oh man, this looks like a proper RC vehicle. Not only is the motor, look, the motor's water cooled, the radio set and the speed controller is water cooled also. It has aluminum fins, but it's water cooled. That is so crazy cool. And so it looks like the water comes in here in the back, circulates through the motor. Here in the back goes up, circulates through the motor, through the speed controller, and then where does it exit? It exits out the top. This is gonna be so cool looking. That is so cool. Okay, I am so jealous that you've seen this thing go already and I have not even gotten to like throw it in the local pond, much less take it out in some big fun water. I'm out of here. You've seen the review, you've seen this. If you want to get it again, there's a link here, one down in the description. I'm gonna guess you can't possibly go wrong and you want to get this because you're still here watching this unboxing experience. I'm gonna go play with it. I'll see you in the next video.